Today's word is downright.
Downright.
Downright. Downright.
Meaning completely, totally, or absolutely. We often use it for emphasis, especially when we have a strong opinion or emotion. Grammatically, downright is usually an adverb, but it can also work as an adjective. When it is an adverb, we use it before an adjective to make it stronger.
Downright gutsy. That's downright cruel.
Example, that movie was downright amazing. Here, downright is telling us how amazing the movie was. Completely amazing. When it's an adjective, it means something is complete or total.
It's a shame, it's a downright disgrace.
Seems a downright shame.
For example, that's a downright lie. Here, it describes the noun lie directly, meaning it's a total lie. So remember, downright is your code word when you want to make your opinion sound strong and clear, whether you're talking about something good or bad. Don't miss the next word of the day. Like and subscribe.